Hello and welcome to Diana's Makerspace. I decided to do an interesting Arduino project making 1/6 replica of the 1933 Ford Coupe, the one that was shown in the ZZ Top video. So let me show you how it looks so far. Now this is a replica based on the dimensions for 1933 Ford Coupe, and it's made as a three-seater. So basically, all Barbies can ride on Barbie, Laura, and Sandy. And since Sandy is a mermaid, we have there's a special mermaid seat for Sandy, and basically a soft seat for both Barbies. Left-hand drive. And like the Coupe, you can see basically has the wheel mounts on the side there. And then as we go in the back, you can see here the other wheel mounts. And just looking at it from basically like that, you can see it's a 1/6 scale, so it's about 30 inches long and about 12 inches wide. I had to make it a little bit wider to make it a three-seater. Now let me show you a unique feature I added. Now the unique feature I added actually is sort of something from an old American Motors Hudson, which had a fully reclining passenger seat. So basically, as you can see, Sandy is able to ride fully reclined, and just move her up a little bit, like there. So basically, fully reclined, and so fully reclined passenger seat. I know in some other TV series they had a different nickname, but this I couldn't help myself because being from Kenosha, and my first driving car used for driver's test was an AMC Concorde, so I wanted to add a little AMC into this with the fully reclining driver's seat. And then basically it has the two engines and the four engines on back. So the other thing what I did too was basically when I watched Car and Driver, I thought of an interesting thing. Some of the new electric cars now have an electric engine at each wheel, like the Porsche does, and some others like that. So I thought, well, let's do the same thing. Let's try the same thing. And what this section's for is is to put a motherboard in for the controller. This is another section for other special electronics, and another section for another special electronics. Also, you notice there's a little hole here. I made it. They can also make it into a British version of a 1933 Ford with three-wheel drive instead of four-wheel drive. Well, let me know what you think. The best way to reach me is on YouTube, Facebook, X, or Twitter. Also Pinterest. Well, this has been Diana's Makerspace, and with the replica of the 1933 Ford Coupe Barbie car. It's going to have a hard top, but it uses new technology for all four-wheel drive, and it's made so you can put a motherboard in. It has a fully reclining passenger seat, sort of borrowing from the AMC Hudson. And also a comfort seat. What I'm going to put in the cartridge here, is I'm going to add a carpet that matches the furniture. So let me know what you think, and I'll let you know on the progress as this goes. Again, this is a 1/6 scale, so 1933 Ford Coupe based upon the original definitions of the 1933 Ford Coupe.